This is the best way you can be able to make money in 2024. You literally have it in your hands right now. You are actually watching me using your phone. 90% of the people who watch videos on YouTube, they use their phone. So I'm assuming you're one of them. Are you tired of scrolling on the online space looking for things that can actually make you money, but you feel like they are too expensive because you cannot afford some things like laptop, computer, or even the capital to be able to invest in a business? Then don't worry, in this video I'm going to give you 7 of the best ways you can be able to start making money with just your phone. I'm going to give you from the lowest paying to the highest paying, and that means you need to watch till the last video, because the last one is the most and the highest paying, and you literally do not need to put a lot of effort in it just for you to get started. Starting us off is survey. Have you ever scrolled on the online space and found websites that offer survey jobs? These websites are actually true, because I have been able to work with some of them and they have been able to pay me an amount. So when it comes to survey, it is literally simple questions like, where do you live? How much money do you spend in your grocery? How much money do you spend annually? It is not those big complicated questions. They are simple questions that you can be able to answer, and the bigger the complicated questions, the bigger the amount you can be able to be paid. You can get these jobs on places like ClickBank and Swagbucks. There are also other websites that they offer. Good thing about ClickBank is that you can be able to work with them from anywhere in the world, because other survey websites, they do not give people opportunities on other countries. But when it comes to ClickBank, you can be able to get jobs there in relation to the place that you are in. So if you're in Africa, there are questions that you'll be asked, and then you'll be paid through PayPal when you're done with the questions. The only bad side when it comes to survey jobs is that the money is not that big, because you are paid little amount of money that cannot sustain you and cannot be able to put a good meal on your table. So I will really not advocate for it to be like your full-time job. It's not that worth it. It is just something that you can be able to do when you are free, maybe when you're in the car or you're in the bus station waiting for a car. That's when you can be able to do this kind of jobs, just to be able to buy you some credit or something. But it's really not that worth it that you can say it will pay your rent and everything. The second one is stock photography. So are you a lover of taking photography, either the nature, dogs, pets, and anything around you? Then you can be able to make money with those photos. The good thing about this is you just need your phone. You don't need something complicated, and if you have a phone that has good camera, then you are good to go. You can be able to start taking good photos and selling them to these websites. So a good website that you can be able to start selling your photos is on Stocks and Shutterstocks, and on average they pay people up $0.5 to $0.10. So if you are able to give them more photos, that means you're able to make more money. To selling stock photos, it's also not that high paying. You can literally not depend on it full time unless you are taking so many photos, like 100 photos per day, that you can be able to sell, and then it can equivalent per month. Then you get paid per month. But it also has its difficulty, because if your photos are not of good quality, then most likely they'll not take it and you'll not be able to get paid. So this is another side hustle, another way that I'll really say it is not something to depend on. But if you love taking photos, you can just take it as another way of adding an extra shilling to your bank. The third way is online tutoring. If you're a lover of teaching, you love teaching young kids, you love teaching older people in things like languages, or you're good with mathematics, English, chemistry, and all these other subjects, difficult subjects or sciences or languages, then you can be able to start making money with it. Do not sit on it. If you are good in French, you can start teaching people, because many people want to learn French on the online space. Many people want to, if you're good in mathematics and sciences, these are highly paid subjects that people will pay you higher amounts, because they are not one of the easiest subjects that people really know. So if you are good in these subjects, you can be able to put yourself out there and start making money on the online space. A good place that you can be able to start with is on Preply. It's a worldwide website that students and teachers meet so that they can be able to learn. Another place is on tutor.com. They are also a good website that you can be able to start with, but it does not offer to all the countries. So Preply is a good example if you are not in the country where tutor.com allows you to enroll on. Number 4 is becoming a social media manager. The world has moved from the offline to the online. Business people are always out there looking for ways they can be able to reach their clients, but not all of them have the time, have the energy to be consistent on all the platforms. And you can be able to offer social media management services. They are not that hard. You can be able to learn for 1 month and be able to start offering the social media management services. So when it comes to social media manager, you can be able to offer simple tasks like offering graphic designs that you can be able to create on Canva. You can be able to offer creating content calendar. You can be able to offer scheduling posts for your clients. You can be able to offer writing good caption, researching for hashtags, audios, and things like that. And all this, they are very simple because you can just use your phone. You don't have to have a laptop or a computer when you're just starting. As you grow, you can be able to buy this, but when you're just starting, it's way easier for you to be able to start with your phone, so you do not have an excuse. Go and start being the social media manager that you need to be and make money with it. And when it comes to social media manager, you can be able to get clients on freelance websites like Upwork and Fiverr, or also you can be able to go to the social media platforms and reach out to these business people who you see they're not being consistent. You can be able to offer your services to them. The 5th one is virtual assistant. Just like a social media manager, virtual assistants, they also help business people with the administration work virtually. Things like email management, calendar management, travel management. These are things you can be able to do with your phone. You don't need to have a laptop to be able to manage someone's email. It is as simple as making sure that the emails that are cluttering the inbox are deleted, and the ones that are of importance, they are put on the right place. These are simple tasks that you can be able to use your phone. But as you grow, you can be able to go ahead and buy yourself a laptop so that you can be able to make work easier for yourself and even get more clients. But when you're just starting off, start with your phone. Do not feel complicated. Do not feel like you need to buy a laptop if you do not have the money. Start with just your phone. The 6th one is drop shipping. Drop shipping is simply you being the middleman between the customer and the manufacturer, the ones who manufacture the product. When it comes to drop shipping, it's not that complicated. You need to create your own e-commerce store on places like Etsy or Shopify, and then you can be able to reach out to your manufacturer in places like AliExpress, where you can be able to negotiate with them. And then after that, when you have agreed, you can be able to take the photo of that product that you want to sell and then put it on your Shopify store, and then be able to start advertising that product. And with time, when someone buys, it will be way easier. You just call your manufacturer to deliver it to your customer. It's that simple. You don't need something complicated. You just need to have your phone, create your online store, and start advertising and creating content and pushing people to your store. So you don't need something complicated. A phone is enough for you to be able to start drop shipping business. The 7th one, which I said is the best because it is not complicated. 10-year-old can be able to do this and still make money with it. Talking about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is making people so much money here on the online space, but not so many people have embraced it, and not so many people know how to do it. But you can be able to learn affiliate marketing on places like Alison or HubSpot Academy. Understand everything that you need to understand about affiliate marketing, and then start your journey to being an affiliate marketer and create content around whatever product you are advocating for, and then you get paid on commission every time someone buys using your link. And this is something you can be able to do with your phone. You can create content around it, post it on your socials, either on IG, on Pinterest, here on YouTube, on TikTok, whichever platform you are comfortable with. After you're done with that, go ahead and put the link on your bio or anywhere that you feel like your audience can be able to reach on it faster. And when they click on that link and they buy the product or the services, you are able to be paid on commission, because you're able to be paid on commission. It is not that hard. It's something that a person can learn literally in 1 day or 2 days, and then you can be able to start making money with that affiliate link. But one thing I just have to say is making money on the online space is way easier than ever before. In 2024, moving forward, people are making money on the online space, and it's going to be a big industry. Making money on the online space is going to be the norm of the day. So you don't want to be left out. You don't want to be left behind. Go ahead and grab any of these ideas that I have given you, and start building yourself on it. It may not bring the impact immediately as you wish, like getting $3,000 per month, but when you keep pushing on and when you keep learning new ideas that I'll be giving you each and every week on my channel here, then you can be able to grow yourself and make money on the online space and be independent with it. So don't feel like making money on the online space is for the chosen people. No, you too can be able to start making money on the online space with your phone or even your laptop, as long as you are willing to put in the work and you are willing to change your mind. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always here every week, videos on learning new ideas, making money on the online space, and business ideas that you can be able to start and make money for yourself. I'm all about building each other and reaching our best potential. So from me to you, it's bye bye. See you in my next video.